Let's see how to play Labyrinth card game. If you see the contents, there are 50 labyrinth cards. The object of this game is to collect as many labyrinth cards by connecting the paths on the cards and finding treasures in pairs. Before starting the game, shuffle all the labyrinth cards and make them face down in a pile. Draw 4 cards and place them on the table. The youngest one starts and the play continues in a clockwise direction. On your turn, you can bring the top card and place it next to the card on the table. At this time, you have to make more than one connected path. Can you see any pair of treasures on the path connected? If you have, you can have both cards where the same treasures are found. If you have 2 treasures in pair on a connected path, you can have 2 cards at the same time. However, when you take 2 cards out from the game board, there should be no isolated card. If you take the card like this, you cannot do it because these 3 cards will be isolated because of your cards. More than one side of each card should touch another card. So you can take 2 cards like this, you can take 2 cards like this, you can take 2 cards like this. However, you cannot take cards. You cannot take 2 cards like this. In this manner, players can collect as many labyrinth cards as possible, and the player who collects the most cards wins the game.